We are assembling the Easter truck box card. So I'm going to start by inking a few of these pieces. I use the same paper for both these eggs, so I'm inking them each with a different color. Now I'm just going to glue these in place. And I'm gluing my eggs behind my grass. You could do yours in front of your grass if you'd like. Just make sure when you put this piece on, you don't go over your fold lines. So this is the front insert. And this one is the back insert. So both of these go together very quickly. There's more detail to the truck, so it will take just a little bit longer. There's 3 pieces to each tire. There's a wheel, the white wall, and a hubcap. You have a window for your door, and there's a cutout, and with that you apply, I cut mine in silver for a chrome handle. You apply that behind your handle. And I am going to use my orange ink, and I'm going to ink around the edges of my door so that it stands out, because it is cut in the same color. Too much glue there, so I'll put some there too. I'm using my pickup tool to put my headlights on. And put on the front grille. I don't know if you can see my mistake on here. My fold lines are in the wrong place. I accidentally ungrouped my file and I moved this piece without moving the fold lines. So I had to put it on my paper scoring board and score my this one must be the one for the back. So do watch these. Apparently these are not symmetrical, and one fits the back and one fits the front. And if you want to apply this grass, it really doesn't add much. So I think I might even take that piece out of the file. And this is the running board. Got a finger mark on that. Then put on your door. It might have been better to there we are. And I think I am going to use foam tape on my wheels, especially since I use black for my running board. I really want to make sure I'm just using my finger to make sure I don't go over the edge, because I don't want my card to stand lopsided. There we are. And then for the back, put on the other gate piece. And then your panel for your sentiment. When you put these pieces together, these two tabs are going to glue to the gate and then to the back, okay? All right. Then so when you line this up, oh, my little tab came undone. You want to make sure that your tab is not well, it is going to show. So line the bottom of your insert up here with the bottom of this part. And that will get it on there straight for you. So I'm going to hold this in place and just get some glue on here so I don't have to figure out where that's going to go again. And then fold it back and put your next piece right up next to it. And we're going to put glue on our tabs. Then we're going to close it up. And there we have our Easter truck box card. Thank you.